It's a beautiful sunny day, perfect for a hive inspection. So let's see what these girls got. If you saw my video earlier this week, they're bringing in this yellow pollen and they got tons of it. I mean, just look at it. It's just filling up this frame. Just crazy. There is a queen cup, and if you look in there, there is royal jelly in there. So they are trying to make a queen, which is bad news, which means either they think they're queenless, or they are queenless, or their queen is not performing up to par. So we're gonna have to take a look at that. You can see there's the larva, and we have capped brood as well. So the queen was laying. I haven't seen any eggs yet, but definitely larva right there and capped brood. So there's Beyonce, she's here, and she's laying. I see more eggs and stuff, so it's weird that they're actually making queen cells. Maybe she just didn't do it fast enough. I don't know. That's a good question, but she's here, she's marked, and she's laying. I see plenty of brood in here. So we'll probably just get rid of these queen cells.